again, and hey guys, I'm recording again, and sorry about that if you could hear it. I'm going to be playing Watch Dogs, and I don't know really what I'm gonna play on it. So, yeah, I guess we'll try the 5-star police chase challenge. If really, come on. But anyway, we're gonna try it out real quick. Open my weapons, up to pistols, and get probably the strongest one we can. I can't see any stronger than 3 stars, so might as well.
Shoot the gun.
I think it's going good. There's no volume on the TV.
Yeah.
Just keep shooting people, you'll get 5 stars. Four. 4.5. Actually 3. Funny how the other cars just don't really follow you. They just, oh, hello, person. I have a bad shot in this game. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go somewhere else to finish off this police chase. I'm going to die. Yeah, almost 5 stars. That's good. X. Traffic light. I'm going to go by the coast. I think it's the best way to you know, get away from the police, but we're not going to be doing that today. Head of the car, grab any gun, and just shoot everything. Why didn't that guy die? What? Oh.
Oh, dude.
And yes, today I'm not here with Cameron. He would have said hello in the start. I'm here with my friend Carter. And I'm going to let him try the 4-star police chase. So
I'm ready for this, man.
He'll be talking for a while.
Yeah. Oof. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's his first time recording as well.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. I had another friend that had a YouTube channel, but I don't know really what his YouTube channel is. So. Anyway, I'm gonna be just going with the automatic. Anyway, just.
Oh, like me.
Yeah, it's a smarter idea, but.
Yeah, but you need that ammo. That ammo, though.
Yeah, that ammo, though, man. Really need it badly. So, I might as well go shotgun, but I don't know.
Shotguns are quite bad.
Yeah, I know, but I have to wait close range and then boom! There we go.
You missed the first time.
Yeah, I know. It's just, I'm not good with it, but there we go. Oh, police are in pursuit.
Only got 3 stars. Have to get at least 4 before you can start driving.
Come on. There we go. Okay.
Remember, it's 5-star challenge.
I know.
5 stars the hardest.
I'm gonna try to snipe out a
Ha!
couple people.
That car just flipped because you shot his tire. Oh, almost flipped.
No one's coming after me, really. Oh, see ya. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. No, no. No, 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 no. I have to at least get 4 stars going. No, thank you. No, that didn't do nothing.
Yeah, it takes 2 hits.
Get down. I can't do it. Oh.
Okay, we both tried. Well, I guess that's going to be it for this video. We'll try again another time. See you guys in the next video.